Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 75, Circles, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Let S denote the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC, in which BC equals to A, CA equals to B, and AB equals to C. If a circle touches the sides BC, CA, and AB at D, E, and F respectively, find BD. Okay, so here ABC is a triangle given, the sides given, what A, B, C, whatever they are. Now S is a semi-perimeter. Now what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means what? S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. Right? Perimeter means what? Addition of all the sides. So semi will be half. Right? Therefore 2S equals to A plus B plus C. Right? But what is A? What is B? And what is C? A is this full BC. Right? So BC can be written as BD plus DC. Similarly, AC can be written as EC plus EA, and AB can be written as FA plus BF, right? Therefore, but what is the point? BD equals to DF. Why? Because tangents from same point outside the circle to the same circle are always congruent. We have seen this in our earlier videos, right? Therefore, just now we can use this to combine many of these. So what can be combined now? BD and DF, they can be combined. Sorry, BD and BF, they can be combined. CD and CE can be combined. AF and AE can be combined. So do that. Therefore 2S equals to 2BD plus 2CE plus 2AE equals to 2BD plus 2 into CE plus AE, right? CE plus AE. Why can't we combine BD, CE and AE? Because CE and AE are in the same line, but BD is different. That's why we didn't combine this BD with them. Okay. So 2S equals to 2BD plus 2AC. So 2 gone. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.